Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is San Ignacio. Okay, so I finally made it into San Ignacio, and now I'm going to take myself a little bit of a walk and show you this part of the town, what you can expect to see once again when you get here, and make it a lot easier for you, so you'll be just that much more ahead of the game when you get here. So here's what they'll call the center of town. There's a bus backing up here. Very narrow streets, and the center of town right here, where the buses drop you off at. All kinds of businesses here, restaurants. Most people come to San Ignacio to visit the Mayan ruins of Xunantunich. If you would like to see the video I made on that, please click on the link above. Oh, here's the Welcome Center right here. So any questions you may have, they'll be sure to answer them right here, the Welcome Center. Look at this toucan. Pretty nice big bird here, sculpture. And right behind where the buses pick you up at or drop you off, here's this, what they call the center. Welcome Center's here, and then you got the flag, big Belize flag waving. Looks like a little stage where they may do some type of a acts. And there's a big hotel right there, the Venus Hotel. And right in front of that Venus Hotel is where they have all different types of restaurants and shops. Let me go show you that right now. So this is a real narrow little street right here. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. And then you can go either way and catch a restaurant. That way they got bikes to rent, or you can go this way. This is a neat structure right here. Look at this. Nice architecture here, old colonial style of buildings that are still standing from way back when the British had this as a colony. So here's a restaurant that seems packed. What is this place? Look at this. This place is packed all the way with people. Let's go eat. So whatever this place is, it must be good because it's all packed. They sell all kinds of things here. Another Chinese restaurant. All kinds of Chinese restaurants I've noticed in Belize. So if you're a Chinese food lover and eater, you will not have any problem eating when you are in Belize. You'll find all kinds of different places. Here's another Chinese restaurant. There's an old bridge here, one-way bridge it looks like, right down the road from the center of town where I was just at. Police station. Look at this guy going 100 miles an hour with his hair on fire. And so let's get a closer look of this bridge. What's going on here? Look at this. Big beer truck barreling its way on through. And here's the river. Look at this river down below here. Oh, look at that. Nice. There's people off in the distance over there swimming in the river. You can see them. And here's the center bridge right here. Look at this. Really narrow. Looks like. And people swim in this river. And there's a view of the old bridge where I was just at earlier. Let me give it a shot of that. There it is. There's a better shot of that old bridge that I was on, one-way bridge. And then this is the other bridge coming in. So when you come into town, this is the one-way bridge in, and leaving town, that's the one-way bridge out. And here's the famous San Ignacio sign welcoming you in just as you cross over the bridge. Coming into the city. So that's pretty nice, colorful sign. People like to get selfies in front of this sign here with a Belize flag waving there in the wind. These are the markets of San Ignacio, and on Saturday and Sunday is the big day for it. People are all out. They have all kinds of food, souvenirs, things to buy. It's really packed here, particularly, like I said, on the weekends. During the week, it's kind of low-scaled, low-key. But on the weekends, this place you really notice they step it up. You get all vegetables, fruit. It's affordable eating in this little area here. So, and then even out front, as I continue to walk through this area, you'll see a big difference. As come on out here, and it continues going on that way and on the other way, that way as well. And then over here, look, they got all kinds of vendors selling things. Look at this, it's packed. The whole thing's like a swap meet as people coming in, driving in from the main city here. So San Ignacio steps it up a notch on the weekends, and they got all kinds of vendors out here selling things. So I just ordered this little plate here of chicken burrito. Let's see how good this is. So for $1 US, I'm getting this chicken burrito here. If you would like to see my other videos on Central America, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.